Today we will explore Canva shortcuts. There are 4 types of shortcuts: Quick Add, Add Magic, Magic Shortcuts, and Keyboard Shortcuts. Quick Add is equivalent to keyboard shortcuts, but these you can use from the search bar in any template. If we type A, Quick Add will offer us an arrow. With letter B, we will get a bar chart. Letter C stands for circle, pie chart, and bar chart. There are 7 more quick adds in Canva, which I will put in the description below. Add magic shortcuts. These you can get in Canva Documents only. It's easy. Find the plus sign and choose from the options. Magic shortcuts. You can use them in Canva Presentation. Start to present, and under this keyboard you will find all magic shortcuts. You will see these letters, which you can also type on the keyboard. Something like that. Keyboard shortcuts. Similar to the quick add shortcuts, you can use your keyboard to type straight into the template, except in the Canva Documents. Use any of these elements without searching for them. Under the keyboard shortcuts, we can also select all elements by clicking Ctrl or Command A, and now you can move them all together. Group the elements by selecting them. Hold the Shift button while you're selecting elements. When you're done selecting, click the Group button or use Ctrl or Command G. You can also duplicate elements by selecting them and pressing Ctrl or Command D. These shortcuts definitely will speed up the work. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.